guys, it's me Kaylee here, and I got the next hurricane update. I hope you guys wish for me to be safe because it is coming tomorrow afternoon. So we've only got like a day and a night and a day and a half to do that. We've got board games and stuff. We've got a lot of food, so we're prepared. Please don't overreact if you live in
Kayla, your room needs to be picked up a little bit so we can vacuum it. Just the stuff off the floor, please.
If you live in Florida, there's no reason
Not right
to
now, but in a minute.
go crazy because
You ready?
everyone's house at least has one area or one room that has no window. Which our whole house, surprisingly, all of the rooms have windows besides my parents' huge closet. So that's where we'll be taking shelter. I can't take shelter in this small closet right here because that's mine and it's really stuffed with stuff and it's really tiny and it's very uncomfortable. Just make sure that you keep you guys occupied, and yes, the room tour comes soon. I'm just going so crazy, I keep forgetting to do it. So I'm actually trying to add it to my calendar right now, guys. So yeah. Right now, what I'm doing is I'm about to clean my room, but I just wanted to make this video, keep you guys updated. Her name is Irma, and no, she will not be hitting us at the category of 3. She will be hitting us at the category of 4. Now, I know that sounds so cuckoo, but guys, I am not even joking. Like, when I saw the weather forecast, it went right across my town with that, hurricane shape, and a letter 4. First, I'm going to be hit by the red. Then, while the hurricane fades away, I will be hit by the purple, which is like extreme wind spans. So I don't even know what's going to happen. So, yeah, it's really horrible, like really horrible. And I'm getting really scared, but it hasn't really started to appear that it has come. Only just like scattered storms that are getting broken off, because some pieces of the huge humongous cloud are coming towards Florida, and they're little thunderstorms, so they come and attack us every so often. And yeah. But when that chunk does break off, Irma just makes more, so stop breaking. Yeah. And my room tour, I'm actually still working on putting things to my room and finding out where they belong. Like, here's a little sneak peek. My laundry basket, my things, some lights, picture, and more, my desk. Yeah, just a little sneak peek. And let's see if this thing stands. Nope. But yeah, that's the Hurricane Irma update. And little fun fact, Irma is not spelled U-R-A-M. Wait, hold up. It's not spelled U-R-M-A. It's spelled I-R-M-A. I thought it was Irma. Irma. I thought it was Arama, because I spelled Arama. Like, I am such a bad speller. But it is Irma with an I. So, no one really knows what's gonna happen. Yeah, I'm still in my PJs. Right now, everyone's starting to get their game on, starting to evacuate. Yeah, but our town doesn't need to evacuate. My school is out on Monday because, the hurricane's still going to be working its way through the state. And my school's going to be working as a shelter. All the Pasco County schools, shelters. The high school cafeteria, an auditorium. I'm not allowed to tell you what people go there because it is way too weird to tell you guys on here. But if you are sort of mature and you have some idea what I'm talking about, please don't comment it, or else my younger viewers will be like, what is that? And then they'll go asking their parents, and then the parents will hate me. and then like they'll report me to someone, and I'll be like, oh no. So please don't. So yeah. Bye, Slayers, and make sure you subscribe and press that bell. The subscribe button should be right here, right down there somewhere, and the bell should be just right next to it. So if you press those two buttons, make sure you go down to the comments, and you type in like some nice comment and the hashtag Slayer Squad. Therefore, I can pin you and love you. And if you use even more hashtags that have something to relate to, like Pray for Texas or Pray for Florida, or like I subscribed or something like that, make sure that I can get on your page, so therefore I can sub you. Yes, so love you, Slays.